Hello and welcome. This is lesson 2 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and we will see vowels in details. Okay, in the last video I had introduced you to Hindi alphabets which had vowels and consonants, and in this video we will look into vowel in detail. All right? There are 13 vowels in Hindi and they are a, I, U, U, Ri, Ye, I, Wo, Au, and Aha. Alright. Now let us see all these one by one. First letter is A. A. And the way you pronounce A is like Ye in America. A. America. 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 Next, like you in sub. 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 And like you in under. Under. All right, that is how you pronounce the first vowel a. Now let us see how to write it. You write a like this. And number 3, it is not number 3, it resembles number 3, horizontal line, vertical line and horizontal line. Once again, like this. All right. The second vowel is A. A. And the way you pronounce is like Ye in art. 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 And like Ye in army. 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 And like Ye in far. 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 All right. Now let us see how to write it. You can draw the horizontal line first and you can write like this, or you can write like this too. All right. The third one is E. 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 And the way you pronounce it is like I in in. In. E. E. In. Okay. And like I in fit. Fit. F. E. T. Fi. E. Fit. And like I in India. E. E. India. India. All right. And this is how you write the letter E. Horizontal line, small vertical line, yes, and in the last you make it like this. All right. Next is E. E. Like EA in east. 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 Similar to the previous vowel, but you drag this one. Okay. Generally in Hindi, the second one will be the dragged out version of the first one. Okay, or the previous one I can say. So this E is dragged version of the previous vowel. east, or like I in ease, 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 or like double E in meat, meat, eat, meat. All right. Now let us see how to write it. Horizontal line, small vertical line, yes, like this, and at the top like this. Once again, and like this. All right. Next is u. 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 You pronounce u like u in put. Put. P-U-T. Put. Pu. U. U. Put. Or like u in bull. Bull. U. Bu. U. Bull. Or like u in Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is a country. U. U. Uzbekistan. U. All right. The way you write it is like this. Horizontal line, and from there you start writing 3, okay, or the shape similar to 3. U. All right. Next is the dragged version of the previous vowel. Oo. Oo. And it is pronounced like double O in room. Room. Oom. Oo. Or like O in moon. 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 Oon. Or like wo in fool. Fool. Wo foo, fool. All right. And it is similar to previous vowel with extra attachment, I can say. 3. From the center, a line like this drops down. Okay. Yeah. Next is r. Okay. R. R. Like RRR in grr. R. Okay. The usage of this letter or vowel, I can say, is very less in Hindi. So just know that it is r sound. R. Okay. Just know that, and do not worry about the usage. All right. And the way you write it is like this. Okay. Once again. Yes. Next is ye. Ye. And it is pronounced like E in ever. A. A. Ver. A. Ver. Ever. A. Ver. Ever. And like ye in lay. 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 A. All right. And like E in elder. A. Elder. A. Elder. All right. Let us see how to write it. Horizontal line, vertical line, slant line, and once again horizontal, sorry, vertical, and once again one more small vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, slant line, vertical line, vertical line. All right. The next vowel is I, I, and it is pronounced like I in ice, I, ice, ice, and like I in time, tie, I, tie, I'm, like EYE in I itself. Okay, the I. All right. Let us see how to write it. You write the previous vowel and add a small attachment to it. This is previous letter, and now a small attachment I can say, like this. All right. Yes. Next is O, 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 and it is pronounced like O in omit, omit, O, O, omit, omit, and like O in ocean, O, O, ocean, and like O in Onam, Onam, Onam. Onam is a festival celebrated in Kerala. Okay, and we write O like this. All right. Once again. Yeah. Next is ow, 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 and it is pronounced like OW in owl, 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 and like OU in doubt, 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 out, and like OU in out, 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 out. All right. Now let us see how to write it. Similar to previous vowel. With two attachments. Once again. All right. Yeah. Next is and it is pronounced like in gum, 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 and like in umbrella, 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 and like in rum, rum, rum. All right. Let us see how to write it. Okay. There is a small dot there on top of the horizontal line. Yeah, on top of this line there is a small dot. Okay. So that is And the last vowel is aha, 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 like aha, aha moment, right? Aha. And the way you write aha is by writing like this with two dots to the right. All right. Once again. Yes. So that's it. That's all the vowels, and that is how you write it. So once again, to recap, it is a, e, u, r, e, I, o, au, and aha. All right. So basically, if you know how to write this first vowel, you can write this similar to this, right? You can write this, you can write this, you can write this, you can write this. All right. And if you cut this in half, you can write this and this. So it is very simple, right? So in the next video, we'll start learning about the consonants in detail. So go ahead and practice pronouncing and writing the letters, and I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.